Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in the last session, as you all know, that we were on exercise 9.3 in which we were discussing the word problems that are related to the multiplication and the division of money. So today, in today's session, again I am going to continue with the same topic, with the same exercise 9.3 with further few sums. Okay, so first of all, just from the topic, that is chapter 9, money, and the topic is exercise 9.3. Okay, so let's begin with the question, the sum number, that is 6. Okay, so the question number 6 is, Kareem bought 4 books, each costing 139 rupees 75 paisa and 2 pens, each costing 68 rupees 50 paisa. She gave one 500 rupee note and 200 rupee notes to the bookseller. What amount did the bookseller give her back? So here they have given the Kareen, okay, not Kareen, it's Karina. So Karina had bought 4 books and 2 pens from a shopkeeper, and the cost of 1 book and 1 pen is given. And we need to find out the price, the amount of the books, and the number of books and the pen that she had bought. Now, after that, she has given one 500 rupee note and 200 rupee note to the shopkeeper. Okay, so now how much balance will the shopkeeper will return to her? That we need to calculate. So this is as similar as the questions that we had done in the last exercise 9.2. Okay, so let's begin with the sum. So first of all, we need to find out the price of the cost of books and pen. लिखिए cost of book, cost of 1 book, that is 139 rupees 75 paisa. Okay, rupee sign is there. 139 rupees and 75 paisa. Cost of 4 books, that is 139 rupees 75 paisa multiply by 4. 4 5s are 20, 0, 2. 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30. 4 9s are 36 plus 3 39, 3. 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. So this is 559 rupees. So the cost of 4 books is 559 rupees. Next, cost of 1 pen is equal to, cost of 1 pen is equal to 68 rupees 50 paisa, that is 68 rupees and 50 paisa. Cost of 2 pence. Cost of 2 pence that we need to calculate. So we will multiply it, 68 rupees 50 paisa with 2. With 2. Okay, so let's multiply and find the answer. 68 rupees 50 paisa, that is 68 rupees and 50 paisa multiply by 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17, 2 6s are 12 plus 1 13, this is 137. Okay, so that is 137 rupees. So the cost of book and the cost of pen that we had calculated, now found the total cost of pen and book. Total cost of pen and books. Total cost of pen and books. For that, just add the price of books and pen. Okay, that is 559 rupees and 137 rupees. Now add them. This is rupee 0, 0, 5, 9 plus 6, 7, 16. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, this is 9, and 5 plus 1, 6. So the cost of all the items is 690 rupees. Sorry, 696 rupees. The cost of all the items is 696 rupees. Okay. So this is the cost of all the items. I hope the board is visible now clearly. Okay. Now, money given to the shopkeeper. Money given to the shopkeeper. That is, she has given one 500 rupee note and 200 rupee note. So 500 rupee multiplied by 1, that is equal to rupees 500, and 2 notes of 100 rupees, so 100 rupees multiplied by 2, that is rupees 200. So what is the total amount? That is rupees 700. So the money given to the shopkeeper is rupees 700, and we need to calculate the balance she got back. Balance got back. So for that we will multiply the amount, the total cost of pen and book from the amount given to the shopkeeper. So we will subtract the amount given of these books, total amount of book and pen with the total amount given to the shopkeeper. Okay. So rupees 700 minus 696 rupees. Okay, now this is the balance. Okay, 0, 0 point, this will be 10, 9 and 6. Okay, 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 9, 0, 6 minus 6, 0. So the balance she got back is rupees 4. So this is the amount that she got back. So write down the solution sentence. So the solution sentence will be, the question was what amount did the bookseller give her back? Therefore the bookseller give her back rupees 4. Okay. So therefore the bookseller give her back rupees 4. So this is the solution of question. Therefore, the bookseller give her back rupees 4. So this is the amount that is given by the bookseller to the Karina in return. Clear? This is the solution for the question number 6. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 7. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 7. The question number 7 is, Nidhi bought 2 powder packs, each costing 238 rupees 90 paisa, one dress for 578 rupees 50 paisa, and 3 lipsticks each costing 180 rupees and 25 paisa. She had only 1000 rupees with her now. With her, how much more money did she needs to pay to the bill? So now they have given another situation. Nidhi had bought 3 different items, like she had bought 3 powder packs, then she had bought a dress, and then she had bought 3 lipsticks. So the cost of the cost of lipstick, powder packs and dress is given, and then she had only 100 rupees, 1000 rupees पर तो उसके पास सिर्फ 1000 rupees है. So now we need to calculate it how much more money did she need to pay the bill of these 3 items. Okay, so for that we need to calculate the total amount or the total or cost of all the items that she has purchased. Okay, and then we will subtract that amount. Then we will subtract rupees 1000 that she had with her from the amount of the bill, and then we will get the amount that she need more to pay her bill. So let's write down. So the items that are purchased by her is question number 7. Okay, she has bought 2 powder packs. Cost of 1 powder pack, that is 238 rupees 90 paisa, that is 238 rupees 90 paisa. Cost of 2 powder packs. Cost of 2 powder packs, that is 238 rupees 90 paisa multiplied by 2. So I am going to do the calculation here. Okay, so 238 rupees 90 paisa multiplied by 2. And you will show this calculation here. आप चाहो तो यहाँ नीचे show कर सकते हो, or either you can show it here as well. Okay. 2 zeros are 0, 2 nines are 18, 2 eights are 16 plus 1 17, 2 threes are 6 plus 1 7, 2 twos are 4. So the cost of 2 powder packs is 477 rupees 80 paisa. That is 477 rupees and 80 paisa. Next, she has purchased a dress. Cost of the dress. Okay, so the cost of the dress that is purchased by her is 578 rupees 50 paisa. That is 578 rupees and 50 paisa. So this is the cost of dress that she has purchased. Next 3 things that she has purchased is cost of lipsticks. Cost of 1 lipstick. Cost of 1 lipstick is equal to cost of 1 lipstick is equal to 180 rupees 25 paisa. 180 rupees 25 paisa. We need to find the cost of 3. Cost of 3 lipsticks. That is 180 rupees 25 paisa multiplied by 3. So let's find out. So 180 rupees 25 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3 zeros are 0. 3 8s are 24. 2. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. So this is 540 rupees and 75 paisa. So the cost of the lipstick is 540 rupees and 75 So now we have calculated the amount of all the items that she had purchased. The cost of 2 quarter packs is 477 rupees 80 paisa. Cost of the dress is 578 rupees 50 paisa. Cost of the lipstick is 540 rupees and 75 paisa. Now what we need to calculate is total cost of all the items. Total cost of all the items. Total cost of all the items that we need to purchase. So that we had purchased. So let's add them. This and this. So let's add them all. So 577 rupees 80 paisa plus 578 rupees. Okay, so let's add them. So 577 rupees 80 paisa. So it's 477 rupees 80 paisa plus 578 rupees 578 rupees 50 paisa plus 540 rupees and 75 paisa. Okay, so let's add them. Okay, so now we will add these three amounts, this and this one, to calculate the total amount of the bill. So let's add them all. This is 5, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 0, 2 will be carried next, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 7, 1 will be carried next, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 1, 19, 9, 1 will be carried next, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 1, 15. So this is 15. So the total cost of all the items is 1597 rupees and 5 paisa. So this is the total amount of bill that she needs to pay. But now she is having only okay, so the cost is, it is 1597 rupees and 5 paisa. Okay, so this is the amount that she needs to pay, but she is having only 1000 rupees with her. So how much more money did she need to pay her bill? That we can calculate by subtracting the total amount of the bill. Okay, sorry, we will subtract the rupees 1000 from the total amount of the bill. Now, okay, now we will calculate the total amount of the bill. So now, more money she needs. More money she needs. That is 1597 rupees. The total amount of the bill was 1597 rupees and 5 paisa, and the money she is having with her, that is rupees 1000 only. Now subtract it and you will get the answer. Okay, so this 5 minus 0, 5, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 0, 7, 9 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0, sorry, 9 minus 0 is 9, 5 minus 0, 5, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the amount that she needs, this is the money, or this is the amount of more money that she needs to pay for to pay her bill. So the question was, how much more money did she need to pay the bill? Therefore, that is the solution. Therefore, she needs rupees 597 rupees 5 paisa more to pay her bill. This is the amount that she needs more to pay her bill. Okay. So this is the solution for the question number 7. You can pause your videos and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, so this is from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.